Fight!
This is our season 2. Wow, that's our new collection. It's my turn to open Mystery Pie!
3, 2, 1, go!
Fight! Let's strike!
Let's do it together!
Woo! Yes, yes, yes!
I was dreaming about Alpha Wolf, so I made a picture, you see? Now I finally have it.
Oh, yeah!
His name is Alpha Wolf. I love wolves. And there's 4 to collect. I have Alpha Wolf. My brother has Drill Board, Scratcher, and Tunk. I can't believe it.
What?
We got Giant Warrior. Wow. He is wolf like me. I love wolves. I love games.
Wow, wow, wow!
This is his armor. And he has 10 health, 11 damage, and 5 plus damage. Wow! He's really good. Let's put his armor on.
Good!
Now my Alpha Wolf is ready!
Yeehaw!
Time for a drill board. I also have giant figure.
Yay!
Wow! We got Giant Warrior! My Alpha Wolf is ready.
Yeah!
Drill board is ready to win.
Yay!
I'm gonna win. No, me.
Fight! Let's try!
Yes! I won! No! Good boy.
Fight! Let's try! Fight! Let's strike!
We got 3 giant warriors. Drillboard, Tunk, Alpha Wolf. We need 1 more to collect. Scratathon.
Yeah!
Let's see, can they switch armors? Good idea. Let's switch them. It worked. Okay, I'm gonna try Tonk now.
Split strike. Split strike.
We just made the strongest Akedo Warrior ever. Oh my god, you cannot believe what we made. Me and my brother created the strongest Akedo Warrior ever. And that's what we got from our